Boris, what's wrong? You seem troubled.
It's Caillou. He's constantly a stupid freaking idiot. He's always causing chaos and never learning from his mistakes.
He's a child, Boris. We need to support him, not punish him.
Oh, I've tried Boris, but he just won't listen.
Oh goodness, would you look at that? Boris, what are you planning?
I'm going to end this once and for all. Caillou needs to understand the consequences of his actions.
Boris, stop. You can't do this.
You're not getting the point, Boris. For more than 2 decades, Caillou, that little dimwit, has done nothing but cause chaos and immense stress to me and you. And today is the day he experiences his consequences.
Caillou? Where are you, Caillou?
Mom. I can hear you. I'm coming, Dad. Dad, please. You don't know what you are doing.
How dare you underestimate me?
Oh no. Please, Dad. I meant nothing by that.
Boris, think about what you're doing. Caillou is our son.
That's it, we're done. There's nothing we can do. Dad has clearly went insane. There's nothing we can do to stop him.
Boris, what are you planning?
I'm going to end this once and for all. Caillou needs to understand the consequences of his actions.
Mom. Dad, please. You don't know what you are doing. You don't know what you are doing.